Mac and Cheese Muffins. I decided to do this idea because my kids love macaroni and cheese, so I wanted to change it up a little bit, see how it comes out, and hopefully they like it. So with that being said, let's get started and have a little fun. Okay, so I forgot to tell you what you need for this. Shame on me. So what you're going to need some pasta. You can use elbow noodles, any kind of pasta you like, but it's better to use smaller pasta. You're going to need some milk, and you're going to need some cheese, and you're going to need some flour, 2 tablespoons of flour, and you're going to need some butter, and of course at the end you're going to need some Cheez-Its. This always makes it better. Alright, so let's get started. I'll show you how to put all this together and make it taste really yummy. First thing you're going to do is you're going to boil your pasta. And while that's boiling, make sure you're preheating your oven to 400 degrees so it'll be ready when you're ready to put your pasta in the oven. And next you want to melt your butter while your pasta is cooking, and then you're going to add your flour and make it really thick. And I'll show you how to do that in just a minute. Alright, now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of flour so I can get it nice and thick. And add a little bit more. There we go. Then you want to stir it because you want to make it nice and thick. There we go, like that. Make sure it's all in there. Alright, then I'm going to change it to a whisk because I'm going to start adding cheese and milk. Alright, let me get my milk. Hold 1 second. Alright, I'm going to add some milk. Alright. There we go. I'm going to put you can put in about a cup of milk, and then once this starts boiling, then you're going to add your cheese. Okay, as you can see, it's thickening. This is where I'm going to add my cheese. Add lots of it too. You know, I'd probably about a good cup of it. There we go. And I'm just going to take my spatula and mix it up. So it's all nice and melted in. You want to turn your burner down too a little bit more. Oh, I got it down. It's just taking its time. I might add a little bit more milk to kind of thin it out a little bit more, not too thick, and a little bit more cheese. Can really not have much cheese. There we go. So I'm going to add a little bit more milk, and once the process is done, then I'm going to add this to it. Alright, I'll show you what it looks like when I get done. Okay, so while my pasta is still boiling, I did want to show you, because I forgot to tell you this, I'm going to use a muffin pan of 6. They're a little bit bigger, but you can use a size 12, 24, whatever kind of size muffins that you're trying to make out of these. But I'm doing 12, because my girls like mac and cheese. Alright, so let me show you what it looks like when we put it in the pan. Okay, so I'm back. Now that I've drained my pasta, I'm actually going to add some salt. If I can find my salt. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. I'm going to add some salt to my pasta. I just like to add it in there with nothing on it, so I kind of see how much I'm putting in there. And then next, I'm going to add in my cheese roux. There we go. Just dump it right in. I'm going to mix my pasta and my roux together really good. And there we go. And it's going to be nice and chunky, just like you would serve regular macaroni. Alright, now that I have it all nice and mixed up, I'm going to actually put it in my cup holder pan. Well, not cup holder, but my muffin pan. Alright. Give it just a moment. It's hot. Get my wooden spoon and fill up I'm only gonna fill them halfway because I'm gonna add some more cheese. Like that. Sorry, my burner's on. Just kind of cooking some more of the mac and cheese. Alright, so I'm gonna add some cheddar. I'm just using some lunch cheese that I had left over. I'm just gonna put some in there, however much cheese you want. And then I am going to actually add in some more mac and cheese on top. I know, this is a lot. I'm just going to keep adding until I kind of fill it up a little bit. There we go. Alright, so now we're ready to add this Cheez-It crackers. So I'm just going to show you. You're just going to crunch them up and put them on top. I'm actually going to put mine in a Ziploc bag. So give me just a moment. Okay, now I'm back. As you see, I crunched up all my Cheez-Its kind of fine as I could. And then I'm just going to add them on the top. And after I add them on the top, then I'm going to put them in the oven on 400 degrees for about 25 minutes. The point is that you basically want your cheese to stick together like a muffin. So when you take it out, it's all together. Alright, so I'll be right back and I'll show you what this looks like when it's done. Hey, so this is how they came out. Obviously, I didn't let them set long enough for them to form into a muffin, but I went ahead and took them out because my kids went ahead and attacked them and started eating them. So I just wanted to show you this footage that they did come out great, but I do recommend letting them set a little bit longer. This is what they look like in the pan. So yeah, but anyways, hope you like this video. Like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.